Okay, today I'm going to talk about this mosquito killer, which is using this I don't know what kind of light. It's like ultraviolet night, maybe, I don't know. It's the purpose night to attract the mosquito inside. So there is a fan running, and then the direction is the direction of the wind is going down. So going down the flow here, just like this, go down. The wind is like this, blowing. So when the mosquito go into this side, because of the light which attracts the mosquito around here, because of the wind power, it directly attracts and absorbs the mosquito inside here. You can see here the net here is very small. So when the mosquito is attracted, absorbed inside, so the mosquito couldn't go out, because the wind is blowing down, so the mosquito couldn't go back. So with the light attracting the mosquito inside it, so after hours later, the mosquito will be, flew and then will be dried by the air and the wind, and it will die very soon. That's the know-how and the principle of this mosquito killers, which is very, effective comparing to some other kind of, those kind of mosquito killer. I bought it on the Taobao, Chinese mosquito killer. It is very effective one. It's very cheap and very good one. You can see there's this light can attract the mosquito to go there inside. I think it's what kind of, this kind of light is, maybe, I don't know what kind of light is. Maybe ultraviolet, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Tell me about what light is, what light really is. And tell you what, another one is like this. It's like this kind of things. It's just like mosquito racket to kill the mosquito, and you pass. Now I'm charging it. When you pass the button on, and you can use this to kill the mosquito. When the mosquito hit the lead, and it will die because of the electric socket. It's very high voltage to kill the mosquito immediately, instantly, to die, and the mosquito will be burned. So this is another one of mosquito killer. It's like this kind of principle. I will show you soon. This is not so effective because why? I will tell you soon. Because the light attract it. The mosquito will just stay there. Will just stay there and not go to the net. So it couldn't be killed. Okay, I will show you now. Okay, it's this one. You can see this one on. I bought it on Taobao, which is not so great. Not so great because the mosquito will maybe attracted by the light and maybe just stay at the right part, the upper part, or the pillar, not the electric net. So the mosquitoes just stay there and fly to there and sit there, maintaining. So they are not killed by the electricity, by the high voltage electricity, so they won't die. And which is using as the shock, cannot shock them die. That's why it's not effective, because of the not unlike the one I talked about, where the wind will absorb them inside to the bank, so they will die soon. So this is not good. I tried, which couldn't really kill the mosquito, and also it's very hot. because of the principle of working, they use a lot of semiconductor and the electronic stuff to make the high voltage, which is using maybe the capacitor or other kind of things. That's why it's not so effective, and it's not so good. So it's not effective. So I don't recommend you to buy. And also sometimes even it stays the same with no mosquito going in. Sometimes it has some sound or some electric shock sound. Even no mosquito go actually inside to the net, to the electric net. That's very weird. I think it's some kind of bugs or some kind of error, some kind of machine problem. So it's not so great and very dangerous, risky comparing to the fans one I talk about using the wind. This is not so great because it will be a little bit dangerous, and I don't recommend you to buy it. And very hot, very high power consumptions, very dangerous and not effective because the mosquito will just stay there and not go into the electric net. Just go to the pillar or run. Just maintain there. Stay still. Useless. Okay?